Air Filters and Humidifiers by Sean Gore for Buildings and Air Handling. What are air filters? Air filtration is required in all forced air furnaces to maintain a safe and efficient flow to the appliance. The air filter involved in any system is designed to remove unwanted particles and debris from entering the furnace. Different types of air filtration devices include media filters, electrostatic air filters, electronic air cleaners, and UV air purifiers. Maintenance-wise, filters require ongoing cleaning and changing of the filters, but regular cleaning and changes will ensure that the appliance runs safer and more efficient for the owner. Media filters. Media filters, also known as mechanical filters, are one of the simpler designs and forms of an air filtration device. The media filter runs on the principle of the filter physically removing the particles from the airstream. The media filter works through the concept of air is forced through the filter, allowing the filter to remove the particles from the air. These filters can be either bought as reusable or disposable filters from the system, depending if you want to spend the time to clean it or just replace it with a new one. Media filters can also come rated for high, medium, and low efficiency are all available. Three common types of media filters include the hammock filters, slab filters, and pleated filters. Electrostatic filters. Electrostatic filters, also known as ESP, run on the principle of that they are media filters, but they are made of layers of nylon or woven polyethylene fibers that creates a static charge in response to the airflow. Electrostatic filters run on a static electric charge and requires no electricity. This static electricity charge that is created attracts and holds particles in the filter's fibers. The typical electrostatic air filter can be washed and reused, and they are a form of slab filters. In addition, they are more efficient than a media filter without an electrostatic charge. Electronic air filters. Electronic air filters are also known as EACs, and they work on an electrostatic charge as well to collect dirty air, particles, and debris from the air. EACs have four different sections: the pre-filter, the charging section, the collecting section, and the power pack and voltage section. Though these air filters can be very efficient, they aren't seen much now because of high initial cost. They're more complicated for the customer to maintain and clean compared to a media filter. Another disadvantage for this filter is that they will require an extra carbon filter downstream of the filter to the ECA to remove vapors from the air such as tobacco smoke. UV air purifiers. Ultraviolet light rays are used to reduce biological contaminants, chemicals, and odors from the air. UV air purifiers are a filtration method that can be designed in the filtration system to produce and clean the air to make it an efficient system. UV lamps are typically used and installed to be part of the cleaning process of the air to sterilize the contaminated air. Ultraviolet also has many advantages, like they destroy microorganisms such as germs, fungus, viruses, bacteria, and also including mold. UV air purifiers should be installed in all systems to help prevent illnesses and diseases from spreading within a house. Humidifiers. A humidifier is simple. It runs on the fact that it sends water to the humidifying unit located in the ductwork. The water evaporates into passing air, increasing the air humidity level. A humidistat is installed to control humidity levels. RH percentage, also known as aka relative humidity, is the measurement of the percentage of water vapor in the air. A psychrometer is used to test the relative humidity of a confined space.